Hi grade 12s, let's have a look at a probability question, and I'm really hoping that you will understand after this. So, I have a question here that says, you have a bag containing 5 green marbles and 4 yellow marbles. If you draw a marble randomly without replacing it, that's very important there, without replacement, okay. Without replacing it, determine the probability that you will draw both a green and a red marble. Okay, let's draw our tree diagram. Okay, so I'm going to start. This is my first draw. I have green and I have yellow. Now let's first go and see. 5 green, 4 yellow. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. That's going to give me my sample space name. Okay. So if I have a look now, I have 5 green marbles. So 5 out of the 9 is green. And I have 4 yellow marbles. 4 out of the 9 is yellow. Okay. Now this is my first draw. I have now taken out that first marble. If the first marble was green, now here's my second draw. First draw, second draw. Now in my second draw, if my first shot, I drew a green marble, and now I want to draw again. How many green marbles are left in the bag? So there were 5. I took out a green one in the first shot. How many green ones are left? 4. How many marbles are left in the bag? 8. I do not take out 2 yet. When I am drawing in the bag, there are still 4 green marbles left, and in total there's still 8 marbles left. So I haven't taken out the second marble yet. So I do not deduct 2, I only deduct 1. So after this first draw, how many marbles are still left in the bag? There's still 8 marbles left. I did not draw a yellow marble, so there is still 4 left. Okay. Now, if I drew my yellow marble first, my second draw, I can either draw green or I can draw yellow. Okay. So I took out 1 marble here. How many marbles are still left in the bag before I draw the second time? There's still 8 left. I drew a yellow in the first shot. So in the second time now, how many green marbles are left? I did not take a green one out, so there's 5 left. Then, if I were to take out a yellow one first, now what is the probability that I will take out a yellow one secondly? I took 1 out. How many are left? 3. So my probabilities are as follows. Green, 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 yellow. Yellow, green, yellow, yellow. Okay, now let's go back to our question. What is the probability, or determine the probability that you will draw both green and, oh goodness, yellow. Green and yellow. Okay, so guys, I do not state first green and then yellow. That's not the question. The question asks, what is the probability that I will draw both? So I can either draw it as green first and then yellow, or I can draw yellow first and then green. The important thing here is just that I want to be able to draw both. So what I do is I multiply these two, and then I add multiplying these two. So in other words, it's the probability for green, yellow, plus the probability for yellow, green, because I did not specify the one needs to be before the other. So what I do is I say 5 over 9 times by 4 over 8 plus the 4 over 9 times by the 5 over 8. And then I multiply. So I'm going to go on my calculator, 5 over 9 times by 4 over 8 plus 4 over 9 times by 5 over 8. And that will give us 5 over 9 as our probability to draw a yellow and a green marble. The order does not matter.